Good morning, students. Today we discuss about cell wall. What is cell wall? Only plants are having cell wall. That means plant cells are surrounded by cell wall. All the living cells are surrounded by plasma membrane or cell membrane. Only for plants, in addition to cell membrane, its cells are surrounded by cell wall. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. It is an organic compound. It is also called as carbohydrate because this cellulose is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This cellulose provides structural strength to the plants. It protects plants from the extreme climate like heat, rain, etc. When there is more water content inside the cell, it loses water through the process of osmosis. This results in shrinkage of the cell. This phenomenon is known as plasmolysis. Here is an activity to show that whether the dead cell does the process of osmosis or not. For this, we have taken the Rio plant. In first case, we have to mount a living cell and we have to put it in hypertonic solution. That means less amount of water, more amount of sugar in the solution. Now, this setup, that is mounted cell on the slide, is to be kept under the microscope. What do we observe? Since there is more amount of water contents inside the cell than outside the cell shrinks through the process of osmosis. In second case, we are going to kill the cell by boiling the leaf inside the boiled water. Now take out the thin layer of this dead leaf or dead cell and mount it on the slide. Again add small drops of sugar solution. We observe that no reaction or no process take place because the cell is dead. That is, all the organelles are dead. So no osmosis take place. This activity also explains the process of osmosis. For this, we have taken raisin, that is dried grapes or apricots. Now put them in water. What do you observe? It is swells up. Since water is less inside the raisins, the water flows from outside to inside. That is the reason it is swells up. Now take out the swelled raisins and put in the sugar solution. We observe that the raisins shrink because inside the raisin there is more number of water than outside. So the water flows from more to less. That is inside the cell to outside the cell. That is the reason it shrinks. When the cell swells, it exerts the pressure against the cell wall. The cell wall in turn exerts the equal pressure against the cell. That is the reason the cell does not burst when we put raisins or apricots in water. The next important organelle is nucleus. It is called as the brain of the cell because it does all the activities or control all the activities of the entire cell contents. We study more deeply about nucleus in the next class. Thank you.